Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G71 5G, and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app, and you have to make sure that you're on the photo mode. So you have to have the photo highlighted in this yellow color. And right now, all we have to do is to simply check this icon. We can tap on it in order to set the 3 seconds delay, tap on it again to set 10 seconds delay, and tap on it again to turn it off completely. If for some reason you do not have this timer icon here, no worries. You can always maybe not unroll and up. You can just open this section, and as you can see on the second position, we've got the timer also. We've got also 3 and 10 seconds delay. So let me get back. Let's set 10 seconds delay. As you can see, it is notified right here. The icon changed a little bit. So after tapping on the shutter button, your device will count down from 10, and simply after that time, it will take a photo. Alright, let's check the 3 seconds delay also, and obviously the same situation, but right now it is counting down from 3. Now we can turn off the timer, and obviously after setting this option, our device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually this is it. This is how to set camera timer in your Motorola Moto G71 5G. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.